trainer from Leader Medical System. So we have these range, like we have Lutronic, we have IS Clinical, we have Merz Aesthetic, we have Althera, Xeomin, Bellatero, and from Barrera Medical we have Jovena. Jovena is basically radio frequency. It's based on diathermy contraction. Diathermy contraction is a patented technology from Barrera Medicals, right? And in Jovena, what we do muscle contraction with the muscle restoration. So there is a heat, which is diathermy, and then muscle restoration. And then the other modalities which is there in the Jovena, that is plasma. So generally we do have a plasma in the market, like plasma pen, which do electrofulguration. Our plasma is fractional plasma, which do air ionization. What we are doing, we are not cutting any lesion, we are not doing any cut. But what we are doing skin sublimization, right? So we are dehydrating the lesion, which is really good in your practice, doctors. Like, if someone have vaginal moles, or, extra lesion, or if someone have, stretch marks. So for stretch marks, we have different probe. One probe is there, which is plasma roller, from which you can treat bigger area. Like if someone have active acne, you can treat them from the plasma tip. And if you want to do blepharoplasty, like for the blepharoplasty, we have to go for the surgery. So for the bleph, you don't go for the surgery, just go with the blepharoplasma, which is there in the Jovena. Then we have Emerald. Emerald is a laser which is based on 532 nanometer diode. This is the first green laser, and it's like people say, if there is no pain, no gain. But yes, with Emerald, you will not feel anything, because this is a green laser which is really good for your gut health, and there is no pain while doing the session, which shrinks the fat cells. So we are not doing apoptosis, we are not doing necrosis, we are just doing photobiomodulation, which is there we will do a hole in the cell, right, fat cells, and which cause shrinkage of the fat cells, right? So we have a lot of, 3 devices in India right now, and all the doctors, like who they are doing it, they are really happy, and the Emerald works more than 40 BMI. So there are no laser or no machines which do work more than 40 BMI. This work on more than 40 BMI. Then we have Balancer. Okay. So Balancer is a pressotherapy which works on pneumatic, waves. So this is really good for, like lymphatic drainage. If someone have bad health, they can go for the Balancer's treatment, like maybe for 6 to 10 session, they will get the they will get a good lymphatic drainage, as well as this is really good who they have pain in their joints, on the back, and outside of India, people used to give this gifted to to their parents, to their grandparents. And Balancer is really good for for the pregnant ladies as well. In your 3rd trimester, you can use it, like for your if for your muscles, and if you have pain on the back, you can use it. Then we have Al therapy. So that is Al therapy. And Al therapy is not HIFU. Al therapy is basically, in Al therapy, we have micro focus ultrasound. So that's the ultrasound technology where you can see, even though where you are targeting on which muscle you are targeting, you are giving the shot on the right place or not, right? And then we have Xeomin, which is a botulinum toxin. We have fillers called Bellatero. Again, then we have ECO2 fractional lasers, which is from Lutronic. We have Hollywood Spectra, which is active Q switch, and Hollywood Spectra have a patented technology And we have lot of papers to treat melasma, like after delivery, or if someone have a PCOS, they got melasma. So for we have a patent paper, like we are the only one who can treat melasma, and who we give the results. Like there are other QSICs as well in the market. Then we have SpectraXT, that is also a QSIC. Then we have IS Clinical. So what is IS Clinical? IS Clinical is very safest products, like for pregnant lady, lactating women, and every youth. Okay, and this is really famous range, which is really famous in India now, and this is from US. And this is basically botanical driven products, like there is no chemical, nothing. We have different range, like for the pigmentation, and we have if somebody have dry skin, if somebody have sensitive skin, if someone have acne, they can we have different range for the different treatments. Thank you.